Assalamu alaikum guys. We are still in Mostar, and behind me is amazing UNESCO Heritage classified bridge. It's this old bridge in Bosnia. It's called Stari Most. It was established by the order of Süleyman the Great or Süleyman the Magnificent in 1566.
Stari Most is a single stone arch bridge, about 29 meters long and 4 meters wide, rising nearly 20 meters above the Neretva River. Its distinct humpback shape made it an engineering marvel of its time, combining Ottoman architecture with Islamic design elements. For 450 years, it connected the two sides of Mostar and stood as the centerpiece of the city's Old Town. During the Bosnian War, Mostar became a frontline city. On November 9, 1993, after days of shelling, the bridge was destroyed by artillery fire from Croatian forces. Its collapse was a devastating moment, not only for Mostar, but also for Bosnia and Herzegovina. After the war, a large international effort was launched to rebuild the bridge. Between 1998 and 2004, using funding from UNESCO and various countries, the bridge was reconstructed with traditional techniques and stone sourced from the same quarry as the original. The new Stari Most was officially reopened on July 23, 2004. Since then, it has been recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, together with the surrounding Old Town of Mostar. Today, Stari Most is not only a restored monument, but also a major tourist attraction. It is one of the most photographed landmarks in the Balkans. Visitors can enjoy panoramic views from the riverbanks, or even take a boat ride on the Neretva River.